Everyone thinks the best-selling ab roller is automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Let's break down the top 5 ab roller wheels that can help you crush those core workouts at home.
Product number 1, VinSquire Dual Wheel Ab Roller. The VinSquire Ab Roller wheel caught my eye with its bright red and black design and price point of $23.99. If you want a stable and supportive experience for your core workouts, this is worth a serious look. This dual wheel design offers a 3.2-inch width, which gives extra stability compared to single wheel options. This feature means you can roll out without worrying about tipping over, making it ideal for anyone just starting out. Plus, it supports a maximum weight of 440 pounds, so it can accommodate most users comfortably. The included knee pod is a nice bonus, ensuring you can exercise without discomfort on hard floors. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for effective core strengthening while minimizing the risk of injury, this roller can help you target your abs, hip flexors, and even your back. With over 9,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly resonating with buyers. However, I have to be real with you. Some users mention that the wheels can feel a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, that extra resistance can actually help build your core strength faster. This is perfect for you if you're new to ab workouts or looking for a solid piece of gear to enhance your home gym. Skip this one if you want something lightweight for travel. Overall, for under $25, the VinSquire offers great value for anyone serious about their fitness journey. Now, if that stiffness bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, VinSquire Precision Ab Roller. The VinSquire Ab Roller, retailing at just $14.99. This caught my attention for its precision design, perfect for anyone looking to amp up their ab workouts. If you want to define those abs with precision, this is worth a serious look. The slightly rounded wheel design helps you balance better while rolling out. This means you're not just working your abs, but also engaging your entire core effectively. It supports up to 500 pounds and has a textured numbslope bristle, which is crucial for preventing slips during intense workouts. If you're into more advanced training, this could be your new go-to. Now, some folks did complain about the assembly being slightly tricky, but honestly, if you follow the instructions carefully, it's manageable. Plus, once it's together, it feels sturdy and reliable. This is ideal for fitness enthusiasts wanting a challenge without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're looking for something fully assembled out of the box. With its price point, the VinSquire offers a solid option for anyone serious about sculpting their abs. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for beginners.
Product number 3, Takahi Automatic Rebound Ab Roller. Let's talk about the Takahi Automatic Rebound Ab Roller, priced at $27.99. Right off the bat, the automatic rebound feature piqued my interest. If you want a smoother experience during your workouts, this is definitely worth a serious look. This roller boasts a dual wide wheel design with a built-in brake system that offers smart automatic rebound. Why does this matter? It helps beginners control their movements more effectively, reducing the risk of injury while ensuring your core muscles are targeted efficiently. The 5-layer protection system also minimizes noise and prevents damage to your floors, which is great if you're working out at home. However, I did find that the heavier weight makes it a bit less portable. Some users noted it's not as easy to carry around. But honestly, for a home gym setup, that sturdiness is a plus. This is perfect for anyone new to ab workouts or those who want a more controlled experience. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight for travel workouts. At under $30, this one's a smart investment for a solid core workout. Now, if you're looking for something that offers even more support, the next product has something really cool.
Product number 4, Bersagi Automatic Rebound Ab Roller. The next option is the Bersagi Automatic Rebound Ab Roller, also priced at $27.99. What caught my eye was its elbow support feature. If you want a comfortable workout experience while targeting your core, this is worth a serious look. This roller is equipped with a built-in assisted rebound system, allowing for smooth returns. This means you can avoid overextending and straining your muscles as a beginner. Plus, the dual wheel design enhances stability, making it easier to engage your core without losing your balance. The ergonomic structure is a game changer for reducing wrist pressure, which is often overlooked in ab workouts. Some users pointed out that it can be a bit bulky to store, but honestly, the benefits like elbow support and overall stability make it worth it for those who prioritize comfort during workouts. This is great for anyone looking to tone their core while keeping their wrists safe. Skip this if you're tight on space in your workout area. It's a solid investment for anyone looking to build strength safely. Now, if you want a roller that grows with you, the last one has some unique features that might surprise you.
Product number 5, VinSquire Adjustable Resistance Ab Roller. We have the VinSquire Ab Roller with adjustable resistance, which is just $16.99. I was impressed by its adaptability. If you want a roller that can grow with your fitness level, this is worth a serious look. This ab roller features a resistance band that helps beginners start slow before progressing to full rollouts. As you build strength, you can remove the band for a more challenging workout. The dual wheel system provides stability, and the ergonomic handles make it easy to grip during your sessions. It's compact and easy to assemble, which is perfect if you're short on time or space. However, some users reported that the resistance band may wear out over time. Here's the thing though, this is a great option for those who are just starting and need that extra support. This is perfect for beginners who want an effective workout while having room to grow. Skip this if you're already advanced and looking for a challenge without assistance. At this price point, it's a steal for anyone serious about toning their abs. All right, that wraps up our top 5 ab roller wheels for home workouts.
To wrap things up, we explored 5 fantastic ab rollers today. The VinSquire Dual Wheel, the VinSquire Precision, the Tixai Automatic Rebound, the Bursai Automatic Rebound, and the VinSquire Adjustable Resistance Wheel. Each has its unique features and ideal users, ensuring there's something for everyone. Whether you're just starting out or ready to take your core strength to the next level, there's an option here for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness gear reviews.